baka pakitaan ka ni Mama.
St. Bernadette.
Kailan yun, anak?
Yan.
Mama, kailan yun, anak?
Good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel, MJC TV. Ayan, start on it, St. Bernadette. Ito. Kamusta na kayo? I hope everybody's okay. Happy Easter everyone again. Welcome to my channel, MJC TV. Ayan, aking mga sisters. Ay mga kasama namin. Yan, Sanctuary of Lourdes. What a very nice place. I'm praying for everyone for good health, for blessings to come, protection from evil, peace to all nations. Yan. White flowers. Yan.
Kalahati lang yun, hindi ko.
Okay mga kaibigan, more videos to come. Ayan, naiwanan na kami. Okay, I'm praying for the safety of everyone. See you in my next video. And please don't forget to subscribe, likes and share my YouTube studio, MJC TV Italia. Bye bye for now.